Right now, your KNOE 8 News Hour by Hour forecast.
So Jessica, do you watch Big Brother, the reality TV show?
I've seen a few episodes.
Okay, so the haves and the have-nots.
Okay.
Are you familiar with that?
Sure.
So some people have and some people have not. That's kind of the story with the rain today.
I was going to say, that seems like it because it's just very spotty, and then some might be, you know, more breezy than others.
Yeah, those who live in the southern portion of the region, it's a pool day, but those up towards Arkansas might want to grab the umbrella. Here in Monroe, we're seeing plenty of sunshine right now with a few cumulus clouds working their way across the skies. Taking a live look over in Monroe from the Creed & Creed Tower Cam there. Again, it's going to be a nice day for most of us, but rain showers are working their way in, especially for portions of South Arkansas. Now, this area in pink you're seeing is a severe thunderstorm watch. It is not including any of our counties in Arkansas at the moment, but it is touching Ashley and Union County. These shower activities are really starting to pick up, moving through Union at this moment, but our main concern is going to be this line that's pushing through portions of South Oklahoma into North Texas. That's what's going to be racing towards us here over the next several hours, and what could be causing some rain showers, especially for those north of I-20, as it just kind of clips our viewing area before moving along. And that's the reason why we have a slight risk, level 2 out of 5 on our severity scale for portions of the northern part of the ArkLaMiss, then a marginal risk, level 1 out of 5 for those along the I-20 corridor. Now today, our main impacts are going to be those strong winds, gusting from 60 miles per hour at times, and even some pea-sized hail mixed in there as well. But mainly this is going to be a wind event as these storms make their way into the region over the next several hours, approaching into our more northwestern corner by about 1, advancing farther into the region by about 4. This is a little bit more dramatic than what I think is actually going to happen, but I think the placement of where this rain is pretty accurate for along and north of I-20. These systems will start to sink their way south of I-20 along the Mississippi as we head towards your evening commute, clearing out as we look towards the overnight. But tomorrow, the chance for severe weather is back in the forecast. In fact, a marginal risk, level 1 out of 5 is in place for the entire area in green. Again, just some strong winds with these systems moving through. Some rain will linger into the early morning hours, so if you're an early riser, might see some showers out the door tomorrow. Sunshine throughout most of the daytime hours, and then into the afternoon, that typical summertime peak heating shower popping up here or there with some gusty winds associated in it. Sticking around into the afternoons, and then some showers lingering in south portions of our ArkLaMiss here as we head towards early Friday morning. And then Friday, you guessed it, another chance of severe weather, anywhere from a marginal risk to a slight risk for that area in yellow. This is as a cold front races across the region as we approach the weekend. So we're talking multiple days of rain, but not really much in terms of rainfall totals. It's going to be rather sporadic as we head towards about the noon hour on Friday. Only about a quarter of an inch for most of us, unless you live over towards Lake Providence or Vicksburg. That's to be closer towards an inch, maybe an inch and a half towards Vicksburg. So a lot of rain in the forecast, a lot of humidity in the forecast. Not a complete washout though, and that is just for the next 3 days. Showers continue into the start of the day on Saturday, but then as we head towards the beginning of next week, temperatures start to skyrocket back into the upper 90s, getting nice and hot and nice and humid. So enjoy the rain because it at least will be keeping us a little bit cooler as we head towards the weekend.